on, Winston. Winston, come. Come on. Poopy. Okay, it's pooper time. It's pooper time. Let's put you down here and hope you have a nice view. Hi. Hi, Jana. You're a good boy, Winston. Good boy. I swear you smile at me. Now, where was your poo? It was around here, wasn't it? Here. There it is. There it is. Oh, I love this, look. There's some of the old trees have fallen down. There's a nice big open gap and you can see the light is so bright right there. And you've got this stunning new baby trees growing. And they just look so angelic or something to me. It's like there's a halo or something around them of light. So young and new compared to the darker greens of the older stuff. So beautiful. I'll leave you down there as well. You have a nice view. Wood. Take 5. Shut up. Hi. Good boy, Winston. We're staying in here where it's nice and shady so that we don't overheat in the sun. It's 22 degrees C in Ireland today. It has been consistently above 20 for the last week or so, and it's going to continue. It is absolutely gorgeous, but it can be quite dangerous for dogs because they can get heat stroke. They can and do get heat stroke. Winston! Back here. So I'm very careful when I have them out that we're taking it nice and easy and we're staying in shade. I have water with me, and I also can call this walk off at any point and just head back to the van. But we're staying close enough to the parking space, just hanging around in the woods. Winston's on a mission over there though. He knows that's the way we go normally. We go that way and off down the trail. So he's like, what are you keeping? What's keeping you? Come on, Seamus, will we do a bit of the trail? Come on, honey. Look. So this walk is not so much for exercise, it's more just for enrichment of their senses and stretch their legs a little bit. But it's not about the getting the steps in or anything, because it's too hot for that. I love this whole place. Like, how something be so beautiful? Seriously. Look how lush it is. Oh, a little hoverfly landed on me. Oh, he's come back to the van. Have you had enough, Winston? He's had enough. The van's just there, at the end of that little path, and it's shady, so we're okay. It's a little bit of sun and shade that way. I thought we might get a bit of a walk in, but are you done, Winston? Do you want to do a bit more? Do you want to go a bit more? Come on, Seamus. Oh, that's a big poo. That looks like a Winston poo. Jesus. Mum, I know it wasn't you. So the point of this video is to slow down and stop and see what the real world is like, and to feel peace, to see and hear and feel peace. I'm still very much learning, getting into my stride and figuring out my content. Look at these beautiful little things. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. I think that's called Herb Robert. With the little 5 flowers. Oh my god, I might actually get that tattooed. Look how beautiful that is, how simple and beautiful it is. And then there's these little tiny ones. They're like little orchids. Look at them. They're little tiny fairies. I love them. I love them all. All these little things. There's so much beautiful life all around us. And then there's this one. I'm not sure the name of it, but I've always just thought we're meant to stay away from this one. This could be like a mimic of the one that's bad. Is it ragwort or something? It might be not ragwort, but we don't touch that one. I don't know. But there's so much life. It's so lush. I just love listening to all the little birds. Okay. That's my walk now. Thanks for joining me. I'll keep going. I think I'm onto something here. I do believe a lot of people out there would like this kind of content, this slower down. It's like anti-content, if that makes any sense. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to play on any insecurities or cause any issues or raise any anger or fear in you. This is it. This is my content. Peace. I give you peace. And I think more people are turning to looking for peace rather than being led by the fear content. Maybe. I think I'm onto something. Anyway, until I figure it out, thanks for watching. Love you, bye.